Yes, now start.
Okay, number is 20th. Okay. So, sir, the situation is you are in love with a girl while studying engineering, and you both study well to get good job with good salary.
Okay.
Later, you came to know that her father was responsible to make your father's business let down. You will?
Yes,
So,
Aman.
I wrote, learn about the business, help father to build up the business again with the help of that girl.
Okay, yours, Ajay?
Sir, I wrote, sir, accepted the past. Sir, fixed meeting between both the fathers and grow business together.
Yes, good. Forget the past and just set a meeting between both the fathers and let them reconciliate it. Okay, reconciliate it. Then reconciliation means उनके बीच में दोबारा से जो है मतलब समझौता है एंड दोबारा से एक अच्छा रिलेशन उनके अंदर डेवलप किया एंड हैप्पीली started the business and grew it together.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Okay, good. Next.
Next is, while using a common washing machine in his college hostel, he noticed that a shock is coming from the socket.
Okay.
And he has finished his whole work and about to leave. He.
Yes. Aman.
So, inform the hostel in charge and ensure that the socket is maintained.
Okay, Ajay.
Sir, I wrote made warning notice and hanged at the site. Dialed hostel electrician and got it repaired.
ठीक है, good. Good. Next.
Next is, you are studying for your 12th standard boards and tsunami smashed your coastal town. You will.
Yes, Aman.
So, help family and nearby to set up all again.
Okay. Ajay.
To call precautions directed by NDRF. Looked after family and studied for boards.
Okay, good. Next.
He is the newly appointed captain after finishing his engineering in electronics for a small ship. And on the trail, he loses his communication with the coast and is about to lose whole steadiness because of failure of communication device.
Okay.
He.
Aman.
So, use this compass and map. Get to the destination as ordered.
Okay, Ajay.
Sir, as there was written he is an electronics engineer, so I wrote he checked for fault, rectified it, established connection again, and reached coast.
Yes. So here the hidden thing is here, na, Aman. So you have to find it out. Okay. कहीं पर भी कुछ ऐसा क्लू मिलता है तो उसका proper use करो. Okay. Keep these things in mind. Means whenever you get any clue, any such kind of clue is given if somewhere, then you have to use it at the full. Okay. अब ये थोड़ा सा प्रेजेंस ऑफ माइंड का है और कुछ नहीं है एंड जब भी एसआरटी करते हैं ना यू हैव 30 सेकंड्स और 30 सेकंड्स इज अ गुड गुड टाइम इट्स अ गुड स्पैन ऑफ टाइम तो आप बहुत अच्छे से मतलब थोड़ा सा क्योंकि पूरे कंप्लीट एसआरटी को स्टडी करने के लिए आपको यानी एसआरटी पढ़ने के बाद सेंटेंस पढ़ने में आपको मुश्किल से 5 से 6 सेकंड्स लगते हैं उसके बाद आपको जो 30 सेकंड्स जो मतलब बाकी का रेस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जो आपको 24 सेकंड्स है वो आपको इसी चीज़ के लिए दिए जाते हैं ठीक है मतलब मीनिंग्स को देखिए हिडन जो उसके अंदर इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है उसको ध्यान से समझिए और उसके बाद अपना आंसर प्रिपेयर कीजिए ठीक है हेलो या नाउ नेक्स्ट
Next is while going for a symposium in City College, you see your group is losing ground on a friendly talk. You will.
Yes, Aman.
Listen to opposition, connected the points, and give them all facts related to the topic.
Okay. Yes, Ajay.
Sir, I wrote he presented real examples in front of opponents, elaborated them, and lifted his team.
ठीक है और वैसे भी एक फ्रेंडली डिस्कशन है. It is already written there. It's a friendly debate which is going on.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
good. ठीक है, next.
sir. Next is while going for a symposium in City College, you see your opponent group of person involving in a serious discussion, and it heated up with your group. You.
Okay, Aman.
Listen to both of the corners. Give them the conclusion and ask for a friendly discussion.
Okay, Ajay.
Sir, I wrote calm the opposite group, gestured teammates to keep their calm, and reached conclusion friendly.
Okay, good.
And reached conclusion, sir.
Yeah, ठीक है. Next.
Yes, sir. Sir, next is he has to go for final round of interview, and the whole city is shut down without transportation.
Okay.
As a big leader dies.
Okay.
You will.
Aman.
Call them, get confirmation for the interview venue, and move there by his own vehicle.
Okay, Ajay.
I wrote, sir, he carried ID card and interview invitation letter, took his own vehicle and appeared for interview.
ठीक है, simply. Next.
Sir, next is a new family settled in your neighbor. In your neighbor, import smuggled goods, and your wife wants to purchase it for your house at cheaper rate. You.
Yes, Aman. So explain wife about the quality of smuggled material and convince her to buy from another place.
Okay, Ajay.
So he denied wife and anonymously dialed neighbors and warned them of arrest if they repeat practice.
Yeah. So अमन, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है, देखो ध्यान से. मतलब आपको क्वालिटी से मतलब नहीं है कि वो क्वालिटी उसकी अच्छी है या बुरी है. It's a smuggled goods. Okay, first of all, these are the smuggled goods, and smuggled goods may put you also in trouble if you purchase them. Okay, and it is not a good practice even. Legally जो है सही नहीं है, तो ऐसे में जो है मतलब strictly deny your family members, okay, from getting into such kind of activity. And moreover, the same again, just warn your neighbors also that if you do it again, or if you indulge yourself in such kind of activity, you will hand over them to police. Okay, so it is very important. ये ध्यान रखना, कभी भी SRT अगर ऐसा आता है तो आपको ये लीगल टर्म्स के ऊपर है, आपको मतलब ये नहीं कि क्वालिटी छोड़ दो, कैसी भी अच्छी क्वालिटी हो बुरी हो कैसी भी हो, डजंट मैटर. ओके, इम्पोर्टेंट चीज क्या है कि वो एक रॉन्ग वे है, smuggled good है.
Sir, in order to maintain the healthy relationship with the neighbors, sir, I wrote, sir, anonymously word.
हाँ, anonymously.
It will directly.
Yes. Anonymously हो सकता है, डायरेक्टली भी आप कर सकते हो, बिकॉज हेल्दी रिलेशंस जहाँ तक बात क्रिमिनल्स की आती है तो इट्स अगेन अ क्राइम ना. इफ इज अ क्रिमिनल तो ऐसे में हेल्दी रिलेशंस ना भी हो तो डजंट मैटर विद देम, because if the people are not good, okay, it's no need, I think we don't need to have relations with such kind of people who are smugglers. ठीक है, तो ऐसे में आप anonymously भी लिख सकते हो, डायरेक्टली भी बोल सकते हो. डायरेक्टली यू जस्ट वांट दैट पर्सन दैट do it again and you will be just behind the bars. Next.
Sir, your team leaders corners you many times before your group. And while lunchtime discussion, everyone talks badly about team leader in his absence by supporting you. You.
Yes, Aman.
So talk to leaders separately, sort out the matter and maintain a healthy relation.
Okay, Ajay.
Sir, I wrote a stop group to talk against him and convince them that their leader follows group first approach.
Okay. ठीक है, both ideas are good. दोनों ही तरफ आपके आइडियाज ठीक हैं, अजय एंड अमन. You have although different views regarding this SRT, still ideas दोनों के ठीक हैं, doesn't matter. Next.
Next is only 3 days are there for final submission of project, but the teammate who knows most of the modules left the team in some issue.
Okay.
You.
Yes, Aman.
So I wrote, completed the project with the help of other group members and explained the project in Viva properly.
Okay. Yes, Ajay.
I wrote, sir, regrouped together, collectively distributed tasks, ensured daily completion, and completed project.
Okay. Next.
Next is, you are the class representative, and in free hours, you are calling engineering mathematics professor.
Okay.
More to take classes. By knowing this, physics professor gets angry and comes you to and corners you to fail in the lab practicals.
Okay.
You will.
Aman.
So brings it better to mathematics teacher and started spending more time with physics teacher.
Okay. Ajay, your
Sir, I wrote, sir, convinced him about students finding maths much difficult through class poll and studied well for the practicals.
ठीक है, good. Next.
The next is, his mother dies due to cancer at an early age and his father left him with second marriage. You?
Yes, Aman.
So I didn't wrote about it.
Okay, Ajay.
Sir, I wrote, he stayed with maternal uncle, studied well, secured good job and lived happily.
ठीक है. Next. देखिए, if the person has left somebody, तो I think in that case it is only the adjustment that a person has to do. But along with that adjustment, if the person becomes self-sufficient, okay, then it's, I think, better, because in that case a person, it is automatically, whenever we feel ourselves alone, we become more stronger, I think, isn't it? And when we become stronger, then automatically the things come on the right place, I think. The same is to be here, means हाँ, आत्मनिर्भर हो जाना, आत्मनिर्भर होना. एक्चुअली वो ऐसा होता है जनरली, जैसे आप सिंपल सी बात है, व्हेन वो है ना कि जब आप बिल्कुल एडवर्स सर्कमस्टांसेस में होते हो और आपके साथ कोई भी खड़ा नहीं होता, तो ऐसे में फिर आप जो है ऑटोमेटिकली स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाते हो. ये जनरल लाइफ के में सभी के साथ नॉर्मली होता है, किसी न किसी स्टेज पर आकर के, है ना. तो यही चीजें आपको, ये एक कॉमन अप्रोच है जो कि आपको यहाँ पर जो है अडॉप्ट करना है. दैट्स इट.
यस सर.
Next.
Next is, you are requested to organize a cycling trip. You.
Yes, Aman.
So, the write a notice, list out the cyclists, ensure safety by ordering them to bring helmet, and search for a beautiful destination.
Okay. Yes, Ajay.
Sir, finalize destination. Put up a notice, made announcements listing essentials, and organized trip.
Okay, good. ठीक है. Next.
Sir, while going on a cycle trip, your cycle got punctured, and no one is in that place, and it is getting dark. You will.
Yes, Aman.
So handle the cycle, move fast, get to the nearby cycle shop, let it maintain, and move.
Yes, Ajay.
Sir, I wrote, he fixed puncture using repair kit he carried with himself on trip and completed the trip.
ठीक है. Both the situations are okay, because अगर puncture kit, because it's a trip ना, so it is mandatory to have such kind of things with you, like the puncture kit.
Sir, here it was written that he is on a trip, sir.
Yeah, the same thing.
So that's why people do bring.
Yeah, whenever we go to the trip, suppose we go by bike or go by car or by cycle, whatever. In that case, if it is a long trip, then automatically we have to keep all these things with us. है ना? We have to have the tools with us so that in emergency we can use them. ठीक है, the same is here, but no, yeah, same again वही चीज बोल रहा हूँ अमन. साइकिल ट्रिप भी हो बेशक, लेकिन पंचर तो उसमें भी हो सकता है. Any kind of damage can be there.
लगाने के लिए साइकिल,
हाँ, नो प्रॉब्लम. आई थिंक आजकल तो साइकिल्स में भी जो है ट्यूबलेस टायर्स आते हैं.
Yes, sir.
तो ट्यूबलेस टायर्स में पंचर लगाना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, इट्स यू नो इट्स एन इजी थिंग, यू कैन डू इट योरसेल्फ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ठीक है, तो मतलब अब देखिए यहाँ पर मेन थिंग क्या है अमन, मेन थिंग क्या है, हाउ टू हैंडल द सिचुएशन, नो इफ नो बट्स, योर आंसर मस्ट बी राइट, सीधी सी बात है। अब यहाँ पर ना तो ऐसा लिखा है कि आप पंचर नहीं लगा सकते, ना तो ये लिखा है कि उसमें ट्यूबलेस टायर नहीं है, कुछ भी ऐसी सिचुएशन नहीं थी ना, तो इट इज अप टू योर माइंड ओनली, आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर आल्सो, इट इज अ माइंड दैट मैटर्स। आप माइंड में जैसा बना लेंगे सिचुएशन वैसा बन जाएगी, ठीक है ना, बिकॉज आपको फ्री हैंड दिया गया है।
Can we add a mobile phone here so that we can call and ask somebody for help?
हाँ, आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो, that you called your friend with on mobile, asked him to stay, asked him to wait for you, asked him to wait for you, and you just reached to him, and just then you used one cycle, ठीक है, on one cycle, both of you you know, you may say that is rode on the one cycle, and the second cycle that you had that was punctured, okay, you held it in your hand. It happens now, for example, suppose you are riding a cycle and your cycle is not it has got punctured, and another one so it's a very easy, I think you can sit on the other cycle with your friend and handle that cycle by the side of the riding one.
Yes.
Have you ever done it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have also done it when we used to play. That time we used to go in the ground by cycles only. In that case, yes.
But when we used to be there at at Roorkee cantonment area, so there's the CMP, the Central Military Police. If they see us are doing such a practice, then sir, we have got many beatings from them also, because we used to do such practice. It was not allowed to do such things in army area, because sir, there were many jeeps of brigadiers and major generals which were.
So it is only because there's a cows in that area, so it may,
Yes,
so yeah, it is so. But generally, it can we can do it. Generally, if there is such kind of problem, then you can do it. Next one.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, it's your long back friend asks you for some money which you have, but you already know that he has the bad habit of drinking.
Okay.
You will.
Yes, Aman.
Give his money back and ensure that how he is investing that money.
Okay, Ajay.
Sir, I asked for the item he wanted to purchase and gave him that item by paying himself.
Simple. No need to give money to that person. He may misuse it. If he needs something, then it's better that he just hand you over the list of that particular thing that he wants, and you purchase the things and give it to him simply. Next.
Sir, due to metro rail works, you find your normal way of traffic is blocked, and it's getting late for meeting, and members waiting at meeting hall are yelling at you.
Okay.
You will.
Yes, Aman.
So cross the traffic by walk, book and move progressively.
Okay, Ajay.
Sir, I wrote ensured reaching on time. Ensured them reaching on time. Took another route and reached meeting before time.
Okay, okay, good. Next.
Sir, next. Sir, can we add we did what we call them meeting by a video call?
No, but on the road, how can it be possible that you attend the meeting by video call? If you are at home, or if you are at some such a place where there isn't any rush or there isn't any human cry, in that case only you can attend the meeting by having the video call. But if you are on the road already, and moreover the metro city, suppose it's a metro city, and and moreover there's a traffic jam on the roads, so there would be a great hue and cry, na? There would be a great noise also.
Okay.
So it won't be possible for you to have meeting by video call. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So don't opt that option. Next one.
So you get less score in 12th standard, and because of this, you get seat in rural college. And as you are from city, Boys are not friendly with you.